Hi, this is Karen. Welcome to another Crafty Christmas at dolallycrafts. This is the card we're making today. Everything I'm using can currently be purchased in my online store. If you would like to purchase anything, I would be most appreciative, and I would love to become your demonstrator for Stampin' Up. If you want any of these products, they are listed below in the subscription pane. In the description panel below, just click on the little arrow, which is just down there, I think, and a whole list will come up. On the list, all you need to do is click any of the products and you will be taken directly to my online store. There's also a link in the description panel to the online store as well as to my blog. If you go to my blog, you will find all the dimensions of this card over there. Once again, I'm sorry, I've returned to the Santa's Workshop. I love this set. This is one of the cards that I've had planned for a while, so I do apologise. However, I did realise when I was looking at the card and getting all the stamps and everything out, I used the same sentiment on the inside as I did on the outside. So we're going to change that up just a little bit today. Okay, I've already die cut my Santa from the Santa's Workshop DSP. I've got a couple of pieces of the Poppy Parade ribbon already cut to size, and I've die cut all of my circles from the cardstock that I needed and from the silver foil. So I've got everything ready to go. I'm even using some of our Santa's Workshop little enamel shapes on these. They're really cute. You've got a tree. I don't know whether you can see there. There you go. We've got some little snowflakes. We've got red bows. We've got white dots, green dots, and the Poppy Parade dots. So everything's ready to go. As you can see, I've already waste not, want not. I cut the scalloped edged circle out of the foil. Okay, let's start off by popping the foil. No, we're not going to start off by popping the foil on. That's one of the last things we've got to do. We'll bring in the edge. I prepped this a little while ago, so I'm still trying to remember in what order everything goes. Okay, Poppy Parade, and I've got the two sentiment stamps. The sentiment that's going on the outside, which is wishing you peace and love all year long. Now I'm going to pop this up on towards the top and the right hand side so that I've got places for Santa to sit on that one. And then I don't think I've cut a white panel. I thought I had everything ready to go, but before we pop it in, I'm going to do my large sentiment in Poppy Parade. I'm going to pop this in the middle and hopefully get it sort of straight. No, didn't do that side. Okay, let's see if we can do it better on this side. I don't think I've got it straight there either, but it's straighter than the other side. Okay, going to open up my card and bring in my liquid glue and just smear that. I don't want any popping out the sides. Okay, so I'm going to pop that on the inside of the card, and as I said, there's a 1/8 inch border all the way around, which is just right. Give that a nice smoothing down. Okay, now let's get stuck into the front. Very easy to put together. I'm going to put the glue on here and then a little bit round the edges. Like that. And pop this on here. Once again, an 1/8 of an inch border all the way around. Now I didn't put any glue in the center. Now I'm going to pop my ribbon across on there, but I'm going to use some snail just to affix it to this. I might move that up just a little bit. So about 1 inch from the bottom. And because we've got the dots and the dashes across there, I can line that up so it's fairly straight across there. Now I'm going to pop a bit more glue over the top of the ribbon as well. Okay. Make sure I've got this the right way up. And another 1/8 inch border all around the panel. Like that. Give it a good press. There we go. Now I can come in with the rest of the ribbon and just tie it in a knot there. Come in with my snips and I'm just going to give that a trim like that so that it's nice, a nice little bow there. Now we're going to layer our sentiment panel, so a bit of glue there and then our red layer, and just make that go into the center. Okay, and then the white I'm going to pop up with some dimensionals. So 4 dimensionals. Don't need one in the middle because they're so close together here anyway. So off with the backing. And then pop that in the centre of the Poppy Parade. Just give it a bit of a smoosh down. Now we need some more dimensionals on the back of our Santa, but we need them doubled over this side, because they've got to come up over the top of the sentiment panel, which is also going to be popped up on dimensionals. So I will flip that over. And then that goes over towards the side. Like so. Try and keep it as straight as possible. Now I've already taken the backing off Santa, but I need to just put a little bit of adhesive there, just to make sure that he stays stuck over here, like so, holding down for a moment until he adheres. There we go, so he's stuck down, and now all I need to do, oh, sorry about the noise, my neighbours have decided to do a bit of gardening or something outside, and it's right outside my window. Okay, bring in some of our little enamel shapes. And I'm going to just pop a couple on here, like so, and then with the snowflakes I'm just going to pop a couple down the bottom. I don't normally buy enamel shapes, but these ones were just so cute I couldn't resist. Okay, so there's my sample card that I prepared a couple of weeks ago, and this is the card that I've just done in front of you today. I hope you like it. It's really simple. The stamp set and the paper pack and the die cuts make this just so easy to put together. If you like this card, please give me a thumbs up. Feel free to share it on your social media, the video on your social media with your friends. If you would like to purchase anything, please consider buying, even if it's just a once-off from my store. Okay, thank you. That's enough from me for today. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.